Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're embarking on a journey to the coast to explore the enchanting world of beach house design and tips for creating a stunning coastal retreat. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Whether you're dreaming of a seaside escape or simply want to infuse your home with coastal charm, this video will provide you with invaluable insights. We'll delve into the essence of beach house design, explore the reasons behind its enduring popularity, and offer practical tips for creating a truly stunning coastal retreat. Beach house design is more than just a style, it's a lifestyle. It embodies a sense of relaxation, tranquility, and connection to nature. The goal is to create a space that evokes the carefree spirit of the beach, with a focus on light, airy interiors, natural materials, and a casual yet sophisticated aesthetic. Why design your house with beach style? There are countless reasons to embrace beach house design. Here are just a few. First, stress reduction. The calming influence of the ocean and beach-inspired elements can significantly reduce stress and promote relaxation. Second, increased property value. Beach house design is highly sought after, which can enhance the value of your home. Third, enhanced mood. The bright colors, natural materials, and open-plan layouts associated with beach house design can uplift your mood and create a positive atmosphere. Fourth, connection to nature. Beach house design fosters a strong connection to the natural world, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of the coast even when indoors. How to design beach house facade to look good. The facade of your beach house sets the tone for the entire property. Here are some key considerations to make your beach-style house facade to look fabulous. First, natural materials. Incorporate materials like wood, stone, and stucco to create a warm and inviting exterior. Second, color palette. Opt for soft, neutral tones like white, beige, and light blue to evoke a sense of tranquility. Third, architectural details. Consider adding features such as porches, balconies, and large windows to maximize natural light and create a welcoming atmosphere. Fourth, landscaping. Enhance the curb appeal of your beach house with carefully chosen landscaping that complements the coastal theme. What are the best items for beach house design? When decorating your beach house, focus on items that reflect the coastal lifestyle. Here are some must-have elements. 1. Natural fabrics. Incorporate fabrics like linen, cotton, and jute for a relaxed and organic feel. 2. Coastal-inspired art. Decorate your walls with artwork featuring seascapes, sailboats, or marine life. 3. Driftwood and seashells. Add a touch of the beach to your home with driftwood accents and seashell collections. 4. Nautical decor. Incorporate nautical elements like ship's wheels, anchors, and rope accents. 5. Light and breezy furniture. Choose furniture with clean lines and lightweight materials to create an airy and inviting space. And to inspire you, here these the collection of the top 10 best beach house design inspiration ideas that you can try to apply. 1. Open-plan living. Create a spacious and inviting atmosphere by combining your kitchen, dining room, and living room into a single, open-plan space. This layout promotes a sense of flow and connection, making it ideal for entertaining guests or simply relaxing with family. Large windows and sliding doors can further enhance the open feel by bringing in natural light and creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. 2. Whitewashed walls and ceilings. A classic beach house design element, whitewashed walls and ceilings create a bright, airy, and coastal-inspired ambience. This neutral color palette allows you to add pops of color with accents like furniture, artwork, and textiles without overwhelming the space. White also helps to reflect natural light, making your home feel even more spacious and inviting. 3. Large windows. Maximize natural light and create a strong connection to the outdoors with large windows. Floor-to-ceiling windows or sliding glass doors can offer stunning views of the ocean, beach, or surrounding landscape. Consider adding blinds or curtains for privacy when needed, but allow plenty of natural light to flood your home. 4. Beach-inspired color palette. Embrace the coastal aesthetic with a color palette that evokes the ocean, sand, and sky. Think shades of blue, green, and sandy tones. Incorporate these colors into your walls, furniture, textiles, and accessories for a cohesive and inviting look. 5. Natural materials. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating natural materials like wood, stone, and rattan into your design. These materials add warmth, texture, and a sense of authenticity to your beach house. Consider using reclaimed wood for flooring, exposed beams, or furniture, and incorporate stone accents into your fireplace or countertops. 6. Coastal-inspired artwork. Decorate your walls with artwork that reflects the coastal theme. Seascapes, sailboats, marine life, and nautical-inspired prints can all add a touch of the beach to your home. Choose pieces that resonate with you personally and complement your overall design style. 7. Nautical decor. Incorporate nautical elements like ship's wheels, anchors, rope accents, and maritime-inspired decor. These details can add a playful and charming touch to your beach house. Consider using nautical-themed throw pillows, rugs, or curtains to create a cohesive look. 8. Outdoor living spaces. Maximize your beach house's potential by creating inviting outdoor living spaces. A patio, deck, or balcony can provide a place to relax, entertain, and enjoy the coastal breeze. Consider adding comfortable seating, a fire pit, a barbecue, or a hammock for ultimate relaxation. 9. Beach-inspired lighting. Choose lighting fixtures that complement your beach house's coastal aesthetic. Consider using natural materials like rattan or bamboo for lamps and chandeliers. Soft, warm lighting can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while overhead fixtures can provide ample illumination. 10. Personalized touches. Make your beach house truly your own by adding personal touches that reflect your unique style and personality. Incorporate items like family photos, souvenirs from your travels, or favorite collectibles to create a space that is both stylish and meaningful. Beach house design offers a unique opportunity to create a serene and inviting retreat. By carefully considering the elements we've discussed, you can transform your home into a coastal oasis that reflects your personal style and fosters a sense of relaxation and well-being. Ready to embark on your beach house design journey? Visit our website for more inspiration and resources. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future design tips and tutorials. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.